Hello everyone, welcome to this video. Today we will learn about the techniques of filtration and distillation and explore the different laboratory equipment and glassware used. In each experiment, we'll define it, its types and steps involved, and then show you the references we relied on. Filtration is the process of separating solid particles from liquids or gases using a porous material. It is commonly used in industrial pharmacy and other fields. Simple filtration used to separate solid particles from liquids using filter paper and funnel. Example, separating sand from water. Vacuum filtration, a vacuum pump is used to speed up the filtration process. Microfiltration uses very fine filters to separate small particles and bacteria. Gas filtration, filters are used to remove solid particles or impurities from gases.
When we have a mixture of solid and liquid, we can separate the mixture using the technique called filtration. Here we have erythritol stain, gloss film, filter paper, and the bacon. Filter paper is a special kind of paper that helps you separate the solid from the liquid in a mixture. It's made of very tiny fibers pressed together that have tiny holes in between them. When you pour the mixture over the filter paper in the film, the liquid can pass through two holes, but the solid pieces are too big to filter through, so they get trapped in the filter paper.
Distillation is a process used to separate components of a mixture based on differences in their boiling points. It involves heating the mixture until the more volatile components evaporate, then cooling the vapor to condense it back into a liquid, which is collected as the purified substance. And now we're gonna move to the types of distillation. There are several types of it, and these three are the most commonly used. First one, simple distillation, which is a technique used to separate a mixture of liquids based on differences in their boiling point. The mixture is heated, causing the components with the lower boiling point to vaporize. The vapor is then condensed and collected as a separate liquid. This method is effective when the components have significantly different boiling points. The second type is fractional distillation, which is a technique for mixtures of liquids with close boiling points less than 25 degrees apart. And the third type is vacuum distillation, which is a process that separates liquids at lower temperatures by reducing pressures and protecting heat-sensitive materials.
The typical distillation apparatus consists of a burner, a distillation flask containing the substance we want to distill, a thermometer, a condenser, a receiving flask, and some cocks to connect the components. Step 2. Cool the condenser. Cool water is fired into and out of the condenser to keep it at a low temperature. This is essential for condensing the vapor back into liquid. Step 3. Heat the substance. The burner is used to heat the substance we wish to distill in the distillation flask. As the temperature rises, keep on the thermometer to monitor the boiling point of the substance. Step 4. Vaporization. As the substance is heated, it evaporates, and the vapor rises in the distillation flask. Step 5. The vapor enters the condenser. The condenser is kept cool by the circulation water. The vapor is cooled and condenser back into liquid. Step 6. Collection of distillate into receiving flask. Step 7. Completion of distillation. This method is employed for the purification of water, perfumes, and essential oils.
These are the references used, and this is the end of the video. Thank you for your attention.